Doing what?
He's dead. He's
dead.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Precious.
So they turn around, they notice something, they don't run off.
How can something come up? Animals are getting wiser these days. You can't even catch one. Eh? Pop on your hand also. I'm telling you. Hey. So what about you now? My brother, like I said earlier, animals are getting wiser these days. Now here, born like this. Eh? You set a trap. Grass cutter will see the trap and jump. I'm telling you.
What is it? Huh? What's up? What's chasing you?
Nam, that strange wind. It's coming.
I don't come to my house now. This is Odogu's house.
Nam, I saw it. I saw it.
You are safe here. You cannot come to my house. Don't you trust your father? You cannot come to my house. This is Odogu's house. No, you can't come here.
Okay. Okay. Hey. Nam, what could that be?
I don't know.
What's going on?
Everything is confusing. I don't know.
My elders, I called you both this morning because of the strange things happening in our clan. I can tell you that I am confused. It is said that the cry of a child sometimes confuses even the mother.
Exactly.
The death pandemic that we are facing in this kingdom is beyond my understanding. Honestly. And that is why I have called us, for us to put our heads together and seek and find a solution.
Honestly speaking, we are as confused as you are. Yes.
My question now is this. What do we do about this thing that is happening in our kingdom?
Yes. Eguichichi is the man that sees beyond the horizon. I think we should consult him.
I am actually thinking that it is possible the gods are angry with us.
Angry with us over what, Your Majesty? What have we done wrong for them to be angry with us?
Anyway, let's not conclude yet. In a situation like this, all we need to do is to be strong and focused. Yes, Igwe. Yes.
I leave this issue with both of you. Go to Egwu, consult him, find out what is the cause of this problem and what the solution is. Our people have this saying that an elder should not sit at home and watch the pregnant goat deliver with a rope tied around her neck. That is an act of wickedness.
Yes, Igwe.
An elder is expected to be able to do something.
Exactly.
And that is why we are here this morning. Go to Ewu. Let us understand what the problem is and how do we solve it. When you have done that, come and give me feedback here in the palace.
Ajana odogwi ga ajaje mba akpọkwuo m gị ajala were nzu mada etu were nzu ndị ichie were nzu otu kweta ije ga ọgwụ were nzu udo adịrọ gịnị na-eme udo adịrọ nke na mbọtọ na-ekpe mbe nke a na-ajụ olee ihe a ga-eme ka udo dị ka anyị mara ihe na-ebute ọnwụ ike ka udo dị. Gịnị ka a ga-eme? My ancestors, tell me what to tell your children. Our children are dying. Talk to me. Na mbọ na-eke na-ekwu n'orie n'afọ maka a na-ajụ ọnwụ karịrị ụmụazị ele ihe a ga-eme ka udo dị. The gods are silent. Udo dị ya. Iwe unu dị oku ndajụ. Unu gwa m okwu ka ngwa ihe anyị ga-eme. Ka anyị nwere udo. Ka ụmụazị kwụsị ịnwụ. Ndị okenye kwụsị ịnwụ. Ha na-ekwu okwu ya. Go. Talk to me. You appointed me your servant. You appointed me your priest. Talk to me to tell my king what to do. Ọnụ mechiri emechi.
How do you mean they refuse to speak? Eh? Does it mean we and our children will just be dying and perishing like this? No! No.
Well, the gods have shown me the gods are very angry. It means we did something terrible. And what we are getting is a deserved punishment for our act.
Because punishment for our art. What have we done wrong? No, tell us.
Okay, Sokota. Jemi ihe m ga-ekwu. Ọkwa achọwa ihe nọ n'ala asị jụọ ewi. Achọwa n'elu osisi asị jụọ enwe. My ancestors talk to me. You appointed me as your priest. Don't let me down. Talk to me. I cannot say anything for now. I'm not saying.
Mbano. Eguchichi. No, you cannot tell us this. You have to consult them. You have to consult the gods. They must say something. They must have something to tell us. What will we tell you if we go back with these stories? What are we going to tell him? Eh? We just told you what we saw on the road while coming here. If not for the both of us, those maidens are dead by now. No. Consult them. Let them speak to you. We must have something to go home with. No, what, huh?
In every problem, there must be a solution. I know a man that the gods cannot refuse to talk to. He lives in Nollywood, the one-eyed priest. I will consult him, and I'm giving you the assurance I will come back with a positive result.
Please. You are not saying something.
You can thank him now in advance.
Yes. That is let's go for.
I know. What the require no leader? There now.
What wrong have we done? Why are the young boys and maidens of this kingdom dying in their numbers? Who knows what Ebu told the people I sent to find out what the solution is?
This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody.
This is not what we bargained for. This is not what we want for our kingdom.
I don't even know what to tell you, but we must tell him.
We must tell him. Oh, look at him coming. Oh, yes, yes.
Igwe.
Please be seated.
Thank you.
I expected to see you yesterday, but you did not come. Now that you are here, how did it go?
Igwe.
Oh. What is it?
Igwe, this message is heavy in my mouth, but I will say it anyways. Eguchichi said that the gods are silent.
What?
Your Majesty, he said it could be as a result of a hideous crime committed in our clan or by our clan.
If the gods are silent, like you said, he reported, that will simply mean we are being punished for a crime we committed and that we deserve the punishment. But we did not commit anything.
Oh, Your Majesty, I was confused immediately he made that pronouncement. But my question is this: what abominable act did we commit that will warrant this type of punishment?
Is it not the same thing that I am asking? We have not committed anything.
Igwe, Eguchichi said that he's going to consult Mbuliche, the one high priest, the man they said that the gods can never stop talking to. He lives in Hanidu, our neighboring community.
So when is he leaving for Idu?
We are not too sure, but he said very soon.
No, we cannot afford to assume. I need you both to go back to him and compel him to leave for Idu today. And ensure he comes back with positive results. That is, come back with a solution to this problem. You may leave now.
Where you leave now?
Why will the gods be silent? Why?
for me. Check there, please.
Ebu Chichi!
Ebu Chichi!
What are you?
The humble servant of the gods.
Hey!
No.
No.
Hi. Ebu Chichi's not here. Maybe he has gone to Edo.
What if he has gone to the farm?
No. He can't do that. He already knows that you're in trouble.
Hey. That's wrong. Then what do we tell Igwe when we get back to the palace?
Oh, no, what do you expect us to tell him? How will you tell him that you met his absence at home? Perhaps he has gone to Anidu.
Thank you. You are good with it. If you're okay with it, let's go.
What could be the reason of this sinister wind? Where has mankind gone wrong? Who am I saying? Or has this one eye of mine be playing pranks on me again? Is it Eguchi of Ilo clan?
My good friend, your eyes is not playing pranks again on you. You see perfectly. Umbulije, the one that the gods can never refuse to speak to. I greet you, my good friend.
Eguchi, the one favored by the gods. It pleases the heart of the gods that you're here today.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, sit down.
Thank you, my good friend.
What why you black and with your home kelu wa what you got here? Mo ko ho ba do mimi. Zube ga zube. Babu si ya ni klemono. Zandu an klemono. Gwa. I know it all. The problem Ilo clan is facing is as a result of a hideous crime committed against the maidens of Nsukka clan.
I'm listening.
Hey. What are you guys doing in our clan?
Greetings, men of Ilo Kingdom. We are here to fetch water. We are from Nsukka clan.
You mean you left Nsukka clan, passed through Aji to Ilo,
just to fetch water from our stream. I don't believe you. I think you maidens have something up your sleeves.
No. We do not have an ulterior motive. We only came to fetch water and live in peace. As you all know, it has not rained in our clan for some days now, and our river is drying up.
In that case, you girls will have to give us some money for coming into our community to fetch water from our land.
Please, we don't have any money with us. We only came to fetch water. Please.
That is not my business. The fact remains that you maidens must pay us in one way or the other.
Yes.
Okay. How do you suggest we settle this? Should we pour back the water?
I think you maidens are beautiful. Playing with your body won't be the bad option. That would be a great idea.
Yes. Playing with our bodies is not an option. No one should have access or see the nakedness of any maiden from Nsukka except for the man that will marry us.
I know that! Who says so? I know that! Did you hear me? This is not Nsukka clan. This is Ilo clan.
Yes.
So don't worry yourself, eh? No. Get out! Ah!
Because the girls were virgins and young. They said that none young ones of Ilo clan will grow old, and that the joy of their parents shall be short-lived. They encast the pledge that is ravaging the youth of Ilo clan on the pot and bury it.
So what do we do?
I have to consult the gods again. Onye kat na egbere nye mara kat na egbere nya banafo. Ya banafo. Onye kat na egbere nye mara kat na egbere nya banafo. Ya banafo. There's a Clemono. Osanabo. Iya ni Clemono. The exact place has to be located and unearth the pot and took it to the market square and burn it.
How do we locate the pot?
Yemaya katone bere yemaya katone bere ya banafo. Ya banafo. Yemaya katone bere yemaya katone bere ya banafo. Ya banafo. You people have to try. I am not sure if you people could be able to see anything. But there is a second problem. It is only the banished wizard in the forest of dead that will unearth the pot and take it to the market square and burn it.
Why him?
Yema katune bere yema katune bere ya banafo. Ya banafo. Asa Clemon aja li nyali, exactly ribo oje wani Clemon. So what dibia ka dibia po akoto dibia to. Clemon to Clemon na Clemon ni. My friend, there are strong forces backing the cause. and underneath. The power of a deity, Okite. The deity is fighting for the maidens and empowers them too.
Who are these men that committed this abominable crime? Who are they?
Onyemaka to nebere nyemaka to nebere ya banafo. Ya banafo. Onyemaka to nebere nyemaka to nebere ya banafo. Ya banafo. My good friend, worry not your head about those men, for they were the ghost first victim.
I think I've had enough. I should be on my way.
no. You have not been coming to my house by this time. This one that you are here by this time. Is everything okay?
Everything is not okay. Although it's been 2 days now, we've not heard from Egwu Chichi. Don't you think it is wise for us to check if he has come back?
I think you have a point there, but we have to go and meet Igwe so that he will instruct us.
Do we have to go and see Igwe before going to see Egwu? Eh? Tell me, the task has already been given to us. Let us carry on with the task and forget about any other thing.
I'm afraid.
What? Of what?
Egwu Chichi is not yet back. Because if he's back, there's nothing stopping him from going to Igwe to report his findings or even coming to us.
What if there are more things to his findings and he's finding it difficult to say? Odogu, please, let's... The chief priest of our land.
Egwu! Egwu! What has befallen you? Hey!
Our ancestors. Where have we gone wrong?
Egwu! Egwu Chichi! The eye of the gods! Please talk to us! Is it Odogu and Onowu? What happened to you? Hey,
What did Egwu find out?
Your Majesty, Egwu could not talk to us.
What does that mean? Why?
Igwe, I'm afraid of what I saw in Egwu's compound.
What happened? What did you see?
Some ill fate has befallen Egwu. He has boil all over his body.
What?
I think he's afflicted.
Afflicted? What are you talking about? What is he talking about?
What we saw in Egwu is beyond our comprehension. I think it's not ordinary.
If the only one man we are hoping to help us find solution to our problem is afflicted the way you are reporting to me, it simply means we are doomed.
We are doomed though.
What are you suggesting we do?
Igwe, I think we should look for another seer from another clan.
Brilliant idea. So who are we looking at?
Your Majesty, I suggest we visit Ela.
Ela. Anyamo lives in Ela.
Well, yes, Your Majesty.
Yeah. Good. Then you go to him. Go to him and find out what the solution is. You may go now.
Well, thank you, Your Majesty. Let us go.
This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody. This is not what we bargained for. This is not what we want for our kingdom. This is not what we bargained. The fear is too much. We are living in fear every day.
What is wrong with these maidens? None of them could even greet.
No, do not blame them. Huh? They are very angry at us.
Yes, they are angry. Are we responsible for whatever thing that made them angry?
Oh no, please. Leave the meeting and their greetings. Let them go with their greetings. We have more important thing to do. Let's go and meet Anyamo before he leaves the house. Yes, let's go. When the problem is solved, everybody will be happy.
Adugo! Informer! So does it mean you ladies did not notice me? I am now too small for you to notice. By the way, you left this house since morning to the river to fetch water. And you are coming back now since morning. You left me hungry. I don't want this kind of rubbish to repeat itself again. Do I make myself clear? Am I not talking to you? Adugo! Informer! Adugo! Adugo! Come back here! What's that?
Udene na mapozu afọ. Maka ya gwo na udene o nwanne. Ebe ọ bụ na akwa udene dị, ị ga-afụ agwọ n'ime ya. Ngwa ndị mmụọ na mmadụ. Ekpere mbakwe lekweni ya. Ọ dakwada n'okwu unu.
What does he say? I have heard your stories. And I've seen where the problem is. The plague that before our clan, Ilo community, is of a great concern even to the neighboring clan. And it seems the gods are silent.
Yes.
To the solution.
Yes.
I have to go and see Mbuluche. From there I will visit Ewu to know what happened to him.
Yes, yes. So, Anyamo, when are you leaving?
Before the sun sets.
Please, Anyamo, whatever you think you have to do it fast.
Very fast.
As you can see,
yes,
our children are dying.
Every day.
Worry no more. I will do as I said. I am the Anyamo. And I have spoken.
So what do we do next?
Now you may leave.
Adugo.
Informer! You got to come back here! I said come back here! Informer! Adugo! You got to come back here! Informer! My sister. Adugo! What is wrong with them? While I'm still alive, my sisters are behaving strange to me? What is the meaning of this? Never! Informer! Adugo!
Adugo! Adugo! What happened to my sister? What happened to my sister? Informer! Informer! Adugo! Adugo! What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you? Wake up! Wake up! Please wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Adugo! 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 Informer, please! Please, informer, please! Please, I beg you! I beg you, please! Please, I beg you! I beg you, wake up! Wake up! What happened to you, Adugo? Adugo, what happened to you?
Egwu! Hey! Egwu ogini? Egwu, what is it? The man that sees beyond the horizons. The man that is favored by the gods. What happened to you? Hey! Ogini? Hey! Mba no no. Mba! Alueme! Alueme!
That was what I told Egu. It is only the banished wizard in the forest of death is the only hope for Ilo clan.
This is indeed a bitter pill for me to swallow. But if I may ask, what happened to Ewu?
I am more. That I don't know or nor can tell. But I believe that the angry spirits is behind it.
If spirit is indeed behind it, that means it doesn't want the message to be delivered, nor the people of Ilo community to be exonerated from that their present situation.
I am confused. Very, very confused.
You don't have to be confused. But if you do, that means my fate is at stake. Yes.
May the gods protect you as you go.
Anyone sent to uncover the cause of the problem we are in returned, attacked.
Hey, no, you are correct. This is exactly what happened to Ibuchiche. Hey, how do we explain this to Igwe? What do we tell him?
This problem is bigger than us.
No! Oh no! It cannot be bigger than us. A boil that develops on a child's head can never be bigger than the head. There's a reason they call me Odogu. Oh no, let's go. Let's go.
So Ayamon is dead too. No. No! This has to stop. This has to stop. I must see Igwe at once. I must. will stop this now. You will stop taking souls from Ilo.
We are just getting started. You have not seen anything yet, young wizard.
Then I will have to stop you.
You were rejected by the people you love. You call them yours, but they do not regard you. Why are you still fighting for them? Why do you still care if they live or die? Come on, young wizard. Let's join force and wipe out every soul in the land of Ilo.
You misunderstood me. Though they banished me from my father's kingdom, does not mean they are no more part of me. I am still one of them. They are my people. Water and tears may look alike, but they definitely taste different. Mbumalu, Mbumeli, Mbumevo, Mbumapara, Mbumachokoro bataga manuzuzo, Mbumuwadieli. Okini, Osulemo, I am Okemiri Nebu Ogwe. Tears and water may look alike, but they never taste the same. I am not like others you've killed. Stay off my path, or I force myself to him.
Who do you think you are? You are just a mere mortal, born of a woman.
Oh, you are tactically, mentally, lugubriously wrong. You call yourself ghost. If you could see the very man standing before you. I am Ibulichi, the great-grandson of the ancient spirits of dead. Some men have been born of a woman, while some have been taken away for death. And I am one of them. I am not born the way other men were born. I am born different. Now, leave my path!
Pulisher.
Your Highness.
You actually mean that one of the ways this problem can be solved is for me to send for the banished wizard who lives in the evil forest to come back into this land again, to then assist us banish the raging spirit of these maidens back to the land of the dead?
Exactly, Your Highness.
And the second option is for me to allow the princess, my daughter, go naked at the village square and take a bath for people to be watching her as a way to please these maidens?
Yes.
For them to leave us alone?
Yes, Your Highness.
Igwe, this is a bitter pill to swallow.
We are standing between the devil and the deep sea, infested by hungry crocodiles.
Exactly. Your Highness, whatever you wish to do, do it fast. For I see rain of death, more death is on the way.
The options are bad. Very, very bad.
In fact, there's no option. In fact, I can't see any option here. No option.
Princess.
Greetings, chiefs.
The princess of Ilo clan. How are you?
So, if there is no any other way around this disturbing problem in our land, that means this beautiful princess will bath naked in the market square in a broad daylight with everybody watching.
No, she has no option. She has to do it, at least to save the people's life.
Hey, the gods are truly dealing with Ilo people. Now tell me, Odogu, if you were the king and these options were given to you, tell me, what will you do as a king?
My people first. I will do everything within my power, even giving up my own life to save my people.
Odogu, you are the true son of your father. Odogu himself, you have spoken my mind. Obarolu, Kaiga, let us go. What a Kaiga? Ha! You are truly the son of this.
My ancestors, should I understand all this to mean punishment to me? How do I go about this? My daughter, bathing in the village square, or bringing back the banished wizard to help us solve the problem. It is like eating that which you threw out of your mouth. Tell me, how do I go about this?
Mother, what is he saying?
He wants me to bath at the village square. Mother, I, the princess of Ilo, bath at the village square with everybody watching me. Mother, what will be my fate? Who would want to marry me in the future?
My daughter, you are doing this to save your people.
Mother, I am doing this to save the people of Ilo clan. I will be destroying myself to save my people. Mother, what are you saying? Why are you doing this?
Please stop this lamentation. Let's see if there will be another way.
There is another way to solve this problem. Father should put his pride aside and get the wizard from the forest to solve this problem.
There is no other way, beautiful daughter of mine. This has got nothing to do with pride or with ego. There is no one who will volunteer to go into the forest of the dead without incurring the wrath of the whirlwind that kills anything on two legs.
You are the king, sent to you.
That means sending them to their death.
So my life and future means nothing to both of you. Answer me! So my life is worth nothing to the both of you.
What I understand is that you may not have done justice to this conviction. Try and talk to your daughter. She has to do this for the people. When she does, the memory that they have of her taking her bath naked will not last more than one day, and everybody must have forgotten about it.
I'll try my best, my king.
Dige, my son.
Nam, Dogunam.
I called you out here to have a serious discussion with you. I'm sure you know my title, Odogu. It means an achiever. The Igwe gave me that title because of my braveness, my achievements for this community. I stand out in anything that I am set to do for my people. And I want you to take after me.
I understand you perfectly, Udogunam. And I believe I have been living and upholding your name.
Yes, my son. But I want you to do more.
More?
Yes.
Okay.
You know, the problem of this community is giving everybody concern. Mbuliche, the one-eyed seer from Anidu, has given us solution.
Okay. That's a welcome development.
I'm afraid the solution is bad, if not more, than the problem.
Ha. What is it all about?
Mbuliche said that Miri, the young wizard living in the forest of the dead, is the only one who has the ability to stop the whirlwind and send them to the land of the dead. Or that the princess of Ilo clan will go and bathe naked in the village square in a broad daylight, and the view of everybody, every person, every member of this community. And they believe that we send or make those spirits, those evil spirits, happy. And then they will be happy to go back to the land of the dead and leave this clan for good.
the princess beaten naked at the market square before the whole community.
Yes.
All my other possible. She will never agree to that.
Yes.
But what is the Igwe saying about this? What did he say?
He has not made any decision yet. Not known to me. And in fact, you should know that Igwe is at crossroads now. Decision will be very hard for him to make. And moreover, the princess might not agree to that.
Obviously. She will never.
And then, Miri. Getting Miri to this community, I doubt if anyone can dare that, because that mission might be suicidal. No one will want to go. But my son, I want to send you. You will go to the forest of death and bring Miri to this corner.
Odogu, you want to send me? You know I have escaped from the evil wild wind twice. Yet you want to send me your son. Which was even working okay. Do you want to kill your son?
Dike, the son of Odogu. It is said that a thief sent by the father uses the leg to break the door. You are the son of Odogu. I will fortify you. You will go and bring Emily. No one takes the child of a vulture. That's why they call me Odogu.
Odogu, I hope this your early morning visit is for the good of all. Since yesterday, when Mbulishe gave us what is seemingly a possible solution to our problem, I have been very worried. More worried than I was when there was no solution at all.
Igwe, I understand how you feel. And that is why I'm here. I can never be part or support the idea to take our princess to bed naked, the princess of this community, to bed naked in our village square. No, that is not an option for me. To me, the only option is to go to the evil forest and bring Miri to come and solve the problem that we have in this clan. That's the best option.
There are two questions that I don't think you have managed to ask yourself. Who is that person that will go to the evil forest to relay the information to him that we want him to come back and help us solve a problem in this kingdom? Then the second question is, where are we going to hide in a situation where they inform him that we need him to come and help us and he says no? Where are we going to hide?
Really? I've not thought about that. I mean, I've not thought about him refusing to answer us. But as for who is going to go to the evil forest, I've talked to my son. And he has agreed to go to the evil forest and bring Miri to this community.
Dike, your son?
Yes, Igwe.
He is willing to risk it for us?
Of course, Igwe. He is my son. I am his father. And there is nothing I tell him to do that he will not do. As I as I talk to you now, he's getting ready to go to the evil forest. Igwe. Nobody takes away the son of a vulture. Yeah. And I promise you, he will go to the evil forest, bring him Mini, come back here alive. Nothing will happen to him.
Odogu, Igwe, holding this my staff in my hand, I tell you solemnly, if your son, Dike, succeeds in going to the evil forest and bringing Miri back, and then Miri is able to solve our problem in this land, I will give my daughter, the princess, to him as his wife.
Igwe, yeah? I'm overwhelmed. Anyways, thank you for the promise, but I think we should do the first thing first. Let my son go to the evil forest first and bring him Miri here to solve our problem. Every other thing will fall into places. Igwe, I'll be on my way now.
Odogu.
Igwe.
No doubt a great man will always give birth to a great son.
Wow, my princess.
Mother?
You're looking so excited.
Yes, I am.
Tell me, what's the news?
His Highness said I will no longer bath at the village square. That Dike, the son of Odogu, has agreed to go to the evil forest to call Miri.
Hey, that is good. What?
He said if he succeeds, that I am the prize.
Prize? Why?
That I will marry him.
My daughter, I think this is better than taking your bath in the village square.
You're right, Mother. This is fair enough. Mother, I beg to take my leave.
Okay. Can do.
Okirikiri kaja ya kuposa. Aja aligi. Ikuku. Ada manonya. Ba.
Nadia no kwanu ne butoson.
Dike! 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 Odogu! Dike my son. Odogu nam. Ubo yubo koku na po Dike. Okpori anando. Okpori ananwo. Hey Lord. Take this. Add it to your water and take your bath. Then you come back for your final preparation to the journey to the forest of death. Go. Go. If I come wrong, you talk to go. Yes. My son, have this back. Everything you need to survive in the forest of death are in this bag. Whenever you see anything that you don't understand or scary, break an egg. Now listen carefully. Nothing in the forest of death is real. Apparitions cannot be overlooked. Don't listen to anything. Don't trust anything. You can go now. I'll go to the palace and wait for your return like the others. You can go, my son. Digga, my son! Go and bring him in.
If I be ifem mo ejelo bem mo ekudolu mo. If I be okum mo ejelo bem mo ekudolu mo. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Odogu bini eje, nadia no kwanu ne buto son. Hey yeah, odogu, hey yeah.
Mother.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
They seem to be doing a good job on your head.
Yes, they know what they are doing.
That is good. His Highness said that DK has gone to the evil forest.
Oh, that's good. May the ancestors protect him.
That's our prayer, so my daughter. At least, these outbreaks will have to stop.
You're right, Mother. Mother, for the past 2 days now, we've not had any news of any death.
You're right. Maybe the gods have decided to consider us and hear our prayers.
But don't you think coming out here is a bad idea? What if the evil wind comes up here?
Evil wind? Have you heard any case of death recently? The gods have taken control. Come on, don't be afraid, Adora. Come on.
But we never can tell. We just have to be careful.
Yeah.
So where are you taking me to?
Well, a private place where both of us can enjoy and be alone, you know? That's the thing.
Oh, okay. So why didn't you take me to your hut?
My mother might walk in anytime from now.
Mother?
Yeah.
But you know, we are not doing anything today.
Of course, Adora, I have to do something. Come on.
You are a naughty boy. You are not doing anything. You are not doing anything today.
Who has made the wrong decision of entering the forests of the dead?
Ije ga na adị ka ije mmiri. Mmiri enwe ilo. Ndị mmiri anyị kenekwa unu. Anyị agagidego naanị site na mmiri. Anyị ga-aga na mmiri wee jebe ebe anyị na-eje n'ọnya ka anyị na-ekwe. Anyị wee were nzu wee na-atụ wee na-asị obi unu dee. Obi unu dee ede. Mbụ dike ya aga. Unu anyị ejidere m. Unu ya akwa m kwaga m ebe m na-eje. My ways shall be like the waterways.
Ifabu ife mmụọ ejelube mmụọ ekwudolu mmụọ. Ifabu okwu mmụọ ejelube mmụọ ekwudolu mmụọ. Odogwu bini eje.
Millie Dalono, like I said, my ways shall be like the waterways. Dalono. Millie Ade Mwilo.
Cannot do anything to me. You cannot do anything to me. I am the son of Odogu. I am indestructible. You cannot do anything to me. My name is Dike, the son of Odogu. You cannot do anything to me. I'm on a just cause for my community. So tired. How far more do I need to walk before I find the Miri? Miri. Oh.
Dike! Thank the gods I found.
This place is dangerous and lonely. You might not make it. Eh? Come, let's go.
Odogunam.
Eh?
What are you doing here?
You don't know your father. Your father is a man of many parts. That's why the Igwe gave me the name Odogu. Trust your father. Let's go home. You. You're not my father.
You are not Odogunam.
Do not come close to me, you evil spirit. You are not Odogunam. You cannot destroy me.
DK, the son of Otoku. What do you think you are doing here? You do not need eggs. I ask again, what are you doing here?
Who are you?
What do you think you are doing here?
Mary. Miriam Willow. Miriam Willow. Thank the gods. Thank the gods I found you, Mary. Mary. Millie, thank the gods I found you. Thank the gods! Millie, I've come a long way searching for you. Millie, Igwe demands your presence at the palace immediately. Please. Millie Biko.
The eyes do not carry the load, but they know what the head can carry. He wants me to stop the infuriating spirits from ravaging the youths.
Millie, the innocent youths are dying. Please, you are the only one that can save us. Please, Millie, come to our kingdom and save us. Come and save our lives. Please, Millie, I beg you. I have come a long way. I was almost losing it. Thank the gods I found you.
DK.
Please.
The Igwe wants me?
Yes.
He banished me from my fatherland. He called my gift witchcraft, black magic. He left me to suffer and die in the forests of the dead. Now he wants my help. DK, leave here this minute.
Millie, please. Millie Biko. Please, I beg you, Millie. Millie, I beg you. For the sake of our lives. Please. Millie. The wind is coming. I have only one egg left. Please. Why wind is coming? Please.
I am okay, Miri. No matter how far the river flows, it does not forget where it's coming from.
Where are we? This looks like the palace.
Because it's the palace.
Millie, you disappear too?
DK, do not look where you fell. Look where you slipped.
We escaped!
Welcome, my son.
The eyes do not forget what the heart has seen, Igwe. I am not your son. You banished me, called my gift magic, witchcraft. You sent me to the forests of the dead to die. But the gods are always with me.
I am sorry for everything. But remember, you killed 2 members of my clan. And in line with the tradition, the one who has killed anybody must not be allowed to live freely on the same land where the one he killed has been buried. I banished you in line with the tradition. You shouldn't have a problem with that.
It was self-defense, Igwe. Those men wanted to kill me. Nobody in this village called me anything. My parents were killed because of their gift, which you and your chiefs called black magic. I was left in the forests of the dead to die. I suffered because nobody wanted my peace. The axe forgets, but the tree remembers. After all the sufferings, you people need my help now. Isn't that funny?
It is not funny. The mere fact that almost all the seers are now confirming that you are the one who most likely will solve our problem means you may be telling us the truth after all. I promise. Help us solve this problem and I am going to allow you come back and live amongst our people. Mbulishe already confirmed to us you are the one who will help us unearth what those maidens buried and set it on fire at the market square, so that the raging spirits of the maidens will go back to the land of the dead and leave us alone. Do it for us. Please.
I will do it. On one condition, Igwe.
What is the condition? Name it. We shall see to it.
The princess. The princess will be my prize. She will marry me, and I shall take her to the forests of the dead with me.
Mary, please, is there no other way you can solve this problem besides these two options? Because I have every belief that our princess cannot...
No! I have only one request. Dike here will go with me. We shall leave before sunset tomorrow.
My daughter. Stop crying. Your father might not mean what he said. Maybe he's trying to get Imiri to solve the problem first.
Mother, why? Why must I be the center of every solution that comes up? Why?
Maybe it's your destiny. The gods want you to be part of the problem solving in this clan.
Mother, father's intent does not matter to me anymore. I will not marry Miri no matter what. I will never. I will not. But I will not marry him no matter what. I will never.
Igwe, tell me you don't mean the promise you made to Mary. Tell me it's just a prank.
I am not one of those men who will open their mouths and say what they don't mean. I meant every word that came out of my mouth. I don't understand what is going on. The people that committed this crime were never members of my family. Why is it that I am now required to be the one that is paying the price? Why?
What are you talking about? What price?
It's not obvious. You know, it's not obvious that the gods are targeting something tangible from my family. They are. The princess is the target and they want her by all means. Can't you see the sign? No, can't you read the sign?
Miri! Miri! You are still a child to think that a rat like you can challenge restless souls like us for a fight.
Okay, the cockroach is not safe in the gathering of chickens. You restless spirits, taking the lives of my people, and you think you cannot be stopped?
The one you call your people are the same people that banished and abandoned you in the forest of the dead. Why are you doing this? Let them face their fate.
The foolish has to say something, but the wise has something to say. It sounds foolish to me hearing you trying to turn me against my people. Very foolish.
Miri, I am warning you. I am warning you. Join us, and together we will make them pay for all the evil they did to you, to my sister here, and myself. Join us, Miri.
Okay. Okay. No matter how ugly the goat frowns his face, it will never stop its owner from taking it to the market.
You know what you are? You are a butterfly that thinks it's a bird.
Odolamo! Mbumalu! Mbumele! Mbumevo! Mbumapara! Mbuma chokoro bataga manuzuzo! Mbumevo! Okene!
Miri!
Okene!
Miri! Miri Mwilo!
I am okay, Miri. Let's go.
If I be mo ejelo mo ekudolu mo. If I be mo ejelo mo ekudolu mo.
How do we know where the spell was buried? How do we find the place?
I am sure it's in this bush. Where the spell was buried is the same place they died. I will know when I see the spot.
How far is it?
DK, no matter how far a man can urinate, the last drop must end between his feet. We must find something. Dike, the son of Odogwa Gabidu. The brave son of Ilo Kingdom. This is the spot. Do not rage like the storm. It is I, Okemiri. I am the sound, Surugidi. I am the moves, Surugede. I am the dance of the spirits. Hey, 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 hey. Again. I am the body of the supreme beings. I am the son of Obobrishaka, Owa Pirinewu. I am the deity that eats cooked food like abacha and well-peppered dry fish. I am the son of Obobrishaka. Okene! I am Okemiri, the gift from the gods to my fatherland, Elendam. I see your moves. Restless spirits. The bird that flies off the sky and lands on an anthill is still on the ground. Okene. Mbumolu, Mbumeli, Mbumevo, Mbumapara, Mbumachokoro, Bataga Manuzuzo, Mbumawadiel. Spirits of my ancestors! It is I, Okemiri! I am a gift from the gods to my fatherland, Elendam. Hear me now! O ye spirits, restless spirits, become at the sound of my voice! Oh, what? I am Surugede, the dance of the spirit. Dike, the son of Odogwa Gabidu. This is the spell that has been fighting against our land. Dike, pick it up. Dike, pick it up! It is your prime! Restless spirits. Pick it up! Halt! I teleported us with your energy. That is why we are here.
Miri, I do not understand. My energy, how?
You ask too many questions, DK. Listen, you have a gift inside of you, but you do not know yet. Why do you think I chose to go with you in this mission? DK, let us go to the palace. I am sure the Igwe and the chiefs will be waiting for us.
Oh yes, they will. They will. DK. Oh yes, let's go. Let's go.
Let me tell you something, DK. A man that pays respect to a great person is only paving way for his own greatness.
Oh dear.
If I be even more ejelo ben more ekudolu more. If I go open more ejelo ben more ekudolu more.
Honestly, my elders, I am confused and tired. I feel the best thing for me to do to solve this problem is to go ahead and persuade the princess.
No, Iwe. You don't have to do that. The major part of the job has been done. That is bringing Miri back to this clan. Yes.
But how will they be able to locate the bush where the spell was buried?
You don't need to worry about that. Miri has been chosen by the gods. And he has the power, the ability to locate the bush. And when he locates the bush, locating the spot is not the problem. So we need to be patient. Yes.
This whole thing is eating very deep into my spirit.
Igwe, I understand how you feel. Be patient. There you are.
To the top of the pantry.
Your Highness, we are back. In here is the spell, and we need to take it to the village square in order to get it burnt, thereby sending the spirits to the land of the dead. Igwe.
Welcome back, my sons. You both have indeed rendered a very powerful service to our people. So, when should we take the spell to the square to destroy that which ought to be destroyed?
Tomorrow morning. But before that, I have a ritual to perform. I will need to put the spirits in their spots before I get it burnt. In order to do that, I need to be in a serene environment.
It's okay. We understand what that means. But is there anything you want us to do for you to further facilitate the success of this process?
No. Just wait for tomorrow morning.
Mother, why? Why? Why has Father chosen to sacrifice my happiness, my life, for the people of your community? Mother, please, this is not my dream. This is not my dream to marry a wretched wizard.
Stop, my daughter. Whatever your father has said, it is for the good of this community. You will marry Miri, but you will not live with him in the forest of the dead. We will build a house for you people here and will make you rich so you can live happily.
Mother, there won't be any form of happiness in a marriage with a wizard. I can't do that. I can't.
My daughter, please, you have to calm yourself down. Please.
Mother, no. I can't do it. Mother, how can I marry a man I don't love? No, I can't. I won't. Father, why? Why did you accept the condition given to you? Why? Why did you accept the condition? Why, Father? Why? Is there no other alternative? Why, Father? Why? Why?
Thank the gods it was a trance. That simply means my daughter is angry with my decision.
This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody. This is bloody.
This is not what we bargained for. This is not what we want for our kingdom. This is not what
Obirike biawe aye aye kemia. Obiri biawe aye aye kemia. Obirike ndawe aye aye kemia. Obiri biawe aye aye kemia.
When a bird learns to fly without perching, then the hunter will learn to shoot without targeting. A man that plans to go on a revenge journey should first dig 2 graves. Osulemo! Oh, you restless spirit! Hear me. You have taken blood to quench your thirst. You have had your own revenge on my people. Now I beseech you to rest in peace and let my people be. My people, the days of pain and agony in our land are over. Finally, peace is back in the land of Ilo. Our farm shall feed us for the rest. And so shall it be, because the gods are with us.
Mother, have they gone to destroy the pot?
Yes. My daughter, calm down. I know why you're so bad.
Hey, Uchibu! Princess! Hey! Princess, don't do that, please! Your Highness! Your Highness! Your
princess!
My princess!
What is it?
The queen said you should come. The princess has taken her life.
What?
Yes.
Princess, please. Princess, please. Oh, don't do this to us. Oh, princess.
Hey!
Princess.
Oh, my Chimue!
Princess, please.
Princess!
Princess.
Hey.
What happened to Princess? Igwe! What happened to Princess?
She killed herself.
What? How? Why?
She said she does not want to marry Miri. She can't live in the forest of death.
Hey! What is it? Me? Oh, can't you help? Is there nothing you people can do?
My people, a crippled has never been seen running mad. Igwe, it is because madness are for mortals that can run. I am Okemiri. I am a gift from the gods to this land. My presence can never bring doom. It can only bring peace. And peace it will bring. Mbumolu, Mbumeli, Mbumevo, Mbumapara, Mbumochokoro, Bataga Manuzuzo, Mbumwodieli. Arise! Arise, princess! Arise.
Okay, Mary! The princess is back. Hey! She's alive. Hey! The princess. The princess.
Yemaya katone beri, yemaya katone beri, ya banafo. Ya banafo. Yemaya katone beri, yemaya katone beri, ya banafo.
Igwe, my people, I do not have any intention on getting married to the princess. It was only a test to test my people. The gods are wise. Igwe, I have gotten used to the forests of the dead. I think that is where I belong now. I will be going back to the forests.
Miri, you are not going anywhere. Yes. You are a man of this land. Yes. A man we judged wrongly. You belong here. Yes. And I want you to know you are going to remain here. Yes. And live amongst your people.
Exactly.
It is already established that you are a good man. Yes. For even when you were banished wrongly, you kept fighting for us. Yes. You kept waging unseen wars for us.
Yes.
And I want to thank you for answering this call. After everything we did to you, we called you to come and help us. And you still came. A good man that we judged wrongly. Yes. One more time, I apologize.
May you live long, Your Highness.
Yes. Odogu, I promised you that if your son Dike will succeed in bringing Mmiri back to this land, yes, and if Mmiri should help us solve our problem, that I am going to release my princess to him as his wife.
You promised.
Holding my staff in my hand one more time, I fulfill that promise. Before everyone here gathered, I decree that my princess and the DK, your son, are now husband and wife. It is already established that a great man must always give birth to a great son.
Exactly. Igwe, I will take good care of your daughter. She'll be happy with me
onye mgburu masigo n'ọsọ n'elu ụwa ọma mgba n'ọsọ ọkwa onye bara nkụ arụrụ ka ngwere bịara oriri ewu isi kote buru o nwere ka esi m ụwa ka o si jọga ka o si oke somebody know why Jesus got oh Jesus got oh Jesus got rage of death rage of death oh where I can see more cause we are in we are in sorrow. Somebody know where Jesus got we are dying. Oh, Jesus got we are dying. Oh, Jesus got our Lord is in sea. Rage of death. Rage of death. Simon, cause you